My name is Tim Timushin. I'd like to present our project, Subsidiarium 2.0, scalable technological platform for cashier-based solutions. So, for now, the problem is that retailers, manufacturers, importers, banks, and other business and social organizations do not have a complete and scalable solution for loyalty, CRM, and historic technological solutions. Let's take a look at the market. Studies made by Harris Interactive shows that each year companies all over the world lose up to 30% of clients, and 68% of them leave because companies doesn't take care about them. Study performed by McKinsey shows that efforts to attract a new customer costs for companies up to 5 times more than to keep the existing customers. Research performed by international marketing company 5 Stars revealed that 20% of customers make up to 80% of companies' income and 72% of repurchases. And Ruby Newell-Legner study showed that opportunity to sell good or service to a loyal client is up to 76%. And at the same time, opportunity to sell something to a new client only 5–20%. Solutions. We offer a software cloud solution and technological platform that allows to create and manage complete loyalty and CRM solutions that combines interests of retail, banks, manufacturers, importers, state and municipal authorities, etc., and of course customers. How it works? Briefly, we gather information about customers' purchase processes, send information to our partners who give rebates, receive information back and money, and send money to customers' accounts. If you're interested in this scheme, you can take a look at it in our application. Team. Me, Tim Timushin, CEO and founder, have a large experience in developing of specifications for software, testing software, business analytics, marketing, sales, managing the company, integrating bank IT solutions, negotiations with public companies, with government organizations, business community, and etc. Sergey Garlanov, our Chief Technical Officer and co-founder of this company, has a large experience in working with big data, high-level projects, developing software products, cloud solutions, mobile applications, working with PHP, Ruby, MySQL, etc. So, why Chile? First of all, Startup Chile is a friendly, transparent, and interesting program for IT startups, one of the best in the world. Second, interests in Latin America and in Chilean market. We consider this market huge, perspective, and fast-growing. And the third reason is that we like Chile. It's a cool country with a very interesting history, interesting people, and interesting opportunities for us. Hope to see this country soon. Thank you very much.